love the app. I love the app. Not a lot of independent shops, let alone even a full dealer, has an app of their own. So they think it's super rad that we have an app. Jeremy's team has really gone above and beyond to customize several different things for us. I've been with him now for about 4 years, and I find their service to be amazing. One of the things that I knew early on is that we really needed to capture our smartphone addicted clients, and we have so many young clients, so I knew they were really playing on their smartphone a lot. Really, the ease of the whole thing has just improved not only our retention, but also just our client count. We have far more new clients coming in than ever before. They love that it's free and they can download it. They love that there's the garage inside of it so they can see what their car history is. Enough about Jeremy and his team. They definitely have made a better impact in our business and projected us into a place of success that other auto shops aren't seeing in the area. It's just been a really, really good aha moment for how we can elevate our service for our guests.